Today was the warmest day of the year so far. 86 degrees was the official high out at DFW, well above normal. Normal high is only at 72 for this time of the year. Was not a record. Got to get up to 91, which is what we were way back in 1909. The low this morning was normal. That's because we've had all that dry air in place. When you have really dry air, you can get some pretty big swings in temperature, and we saw that today, and we're going to see that again tomorrow. 85 out there right now. Humidity very, very low. The air is bone dry, and that's one of the reasons why we're going to have that high fire danger tomorrow, because the humidity will continue to be low tomorrow and our winds will be even stronger. Unfortunately, that'll probably make the pollen situation even worse than what it is outside right now, if that's even possible. Hackberry, elm, grass, maple, and fungus all on that pollen count for today. Here's your highs tomorrow. Remember, we hit 86 in DFW today. I'm going to go about 89 to 90 for Dallas to Fort Worth tomorrow. For sure in the 90s across western and southern areas tomorrow afternoon. That's obviously continues to be above normal. We won't be record warm. The record is 96 degrees, so I don't think DFW gets to there, but we could see our first 90-degree temperature of the year in DFW. And if that does occur tomorrow, it will be about a month earlier. Average first 90-degree days about 3 weeks into April or so. Like we talked about with all that heat and all the breeze and the dry air that's out there, elevated fire danger for all of you. High fire danger for areas west of DFW, and that's why we have another one of those red flag warnings in place for all areas west, south, and southwest of DFW. Remember, that means just that high fire danger exists. Any fires that get started could spread very quickly and out of control, so please keep that in mind for the tomorrow, especially if you have outdoor activities. Anything with open flames or sparks, use extreme caution, and all of those areas are under burn bans, so you can't do any outdoor burning in those locations. Look how temperatures stay way above normal until we get that cold front toward the middle part of this upcoming week. Then we cool us back at least a little bit close to normal for a couple of days there. That's also when our next rain chance arrives. Nothing tomorrow, nothing Monday. We cloud up on Tuesday. Most of Tuesday is quiet. Not much is going on. Maybe a shower around during the day. We have to wait for this dry line and kind of cold front combination get a little closer to us before we'll see some showers and storms. So this is not like our last event where we had those showers and storms, late afternoon into the evening hours. Watch this. That was 7 o'clock. There's midnight. We get some showers and storms starting to go up out to the west, but DFW is still dry. Those showers and storms move in during the late night hours, probably after midnight into early Wednesday morning. Then all of it clears off to the east as we head through the day on Wednesday, and we'll be a little bit cooler behind that cold front. But given the fact that it is springtime, there is a chance for some of those storms to be strong to severe, but not a repeat of what we saw this past week. This would be a line of storms, maybe a little wind, maybe a little hail contained in those storms. Obviously, we'll keep an eye on it and keep you updated as we get closer. Hopefully, it brings us some good rain. We obviously need it. About half an inch to an inch across the area. A little higher totals up there to the north and east. Maybe a little lower totals back to the west, but everybody needs rain in North Texas right now. Very nice night tonight, down to 55 for the low, and then tomorrow will be warmer and breezy as we end the weekend. Close to 90 for that high. I could actually see DFW jumping up and hitting that 90-degree mark tomorrow afternoon. Mid-80s Monday. We cloud up and warm on Tuesday. Be pretty breezy Monday and Tuesday as well. 70s the rest of the week, and another front arrives late next week into the weekend, which is that first weekend of April. Maybe a few showers could accompany it. A little cooler weather around for that first weekend of April as well.